Hello everyone, welcome to Science Mania. I am Ritika and today we are going to solve exercise 1.2 question number 1. So let's begin. So talking about the first question. The first question says that write a pair of integers whose. Pair means that we need to write two such integers whose. The first part says sum is -7. What does sum means? Sum means to add. So in this question, we need to write two such integers that when we add them, the answer should come as -7. Yes? So let's solve this. So for now, let's forget the signs and let us think of two such integers that when we add them, the answer should come as 7. So two such integers are 4 and 3. Right, and now let's put the signs on 4 and 3. So we know that we need to add these. So, right, we need to add these. And we also know that we want the answer as -7. So what will we do? We all know that in the final answer, the sign comes off the bigger digit, and over here the bigger digit is 4. So if I want minus in the final answer, so I should add a minus in front of 4, right? But this won't be correct. Why? Because plus and minus will become minus and the answer will come as -1, and that will not be correct. That will not be correct. So what we will do is we will write it like this: -4 plus -3. We will write -4 plus -3. Plus and minus becomes minus. Minus and minus will become plus. So we will add them, and 4 is the bigger digit and it has a minus. So we add minus to it. So here we get the answer as -7. Now talking about the B part. The B part says that write a pair of integers whose difference is -10. Difference means to subtract. Now forgetting the signs, we need to find two such integers that when we subtract them, the answer should come as 10. Two such integers are 20 and 10. Now let us put the signs on them. 20. We know that we need to subtract them. We need to use the difference. But we also know that in the final answer, the sign will come off the bigger digit. So if we write like this would be wrong. So we need to write it the other way around. It should be 10 minus 20. Because over here 20 has the minus sign in front of it, and now only the answer will come as -10, and in front of 10 there will be a plus. Plus 10 minus 20. Plus and minus become minus. 10 minus 20 is -10. So here we get the answer as -10. Now talking about the C part. The C part says that write a pair of integers whose sum is 0. So we need to add it. So what we can simply do is we can write 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now there's one more method to do this, and I'll show you that. What you can do is you can take any integer and write it like this: -24 plus 24 is equal to 0. You can do this with any integer. I have taken 24. Now let me show you one more example. -5 plus 5 will give you 0. Now in this, you need to take care of one thing, that the plus sign should be between the two integers, because in the question itself they're telling us to add them.